Why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love?
And the beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a hair tutorial, and you guys know I always rock my natural hair, but in today's video I partner with Lavy Hair. Thank you, Lavy Hair, for partnering with me to do this video. And I'm also going to show you how I slay this wig, okay, from start to finish. You're gonna see a few different styles that I do with this hair, and so far so good. I have been getting minimal shedding, just your usual 1 or 2 strands when you wash the hair. Otherwise from that, it's good. The hair is soft, it's manageable, and it holds a curl amazing. I guess because it's the loose wave hair, you can also wear it in this natural pattern. All you gotta do is put some mousse on here, whether it be the one that I use, the Nairobi one, or the Lotta Body one. And I hope you guys enjoy. All links to this here is going to be in the description box, and if you guys want to know the exact hair that I got, is the 360 Peruvian loose wave hair, and that's why I was able to give you guys a few different styles and throw it up in a ponytail. Okay, slayed for the gods. Okay, and the hair, clap my lace if you can, please. And go check out Lavy Hair if you want to buy some good quality affordable hair. Keep on watching your girl, okay?
And the first thing we're going to do is bleach the knots of this frontal or 360 wig. The first thing we're going to need is 40 volume developer. The next thing is this little cup thing that I got from Walmart. It's plastic. The third thing is going to be a hairbrush, and the fourth thing is bleaching powder, and this is the BW2 powder. All I'm going to do is mix this in this small bowl. I really like this bowl because I tend to use too much bleaching powder when I do this. If I use one of those big bowls from the beauty supply store, and if you're a beginner, use a smaller bowl so you don't waste product. Major key. And I'm just mixing my mixture. It's easier to pour a little bit, and if you need more developer, you pour. Don't make this mixture very runny, or else your frontal wig is going to be ruined and the hair is going to be ruined. I like to make my mixture thick, and make sure you're putting it on and you're not pushing it into the hair. Just make sure it's laying on the lace. You don't want to ruin your lace frontal. The next thing I'm going to be talking or showing you guys, my key tip is cutting the lace. And I like to use a razor blade. A lot of people like to use the eyebrow thing. I like to use a razor blade because it gives that jagged edge, and it don't make your frontal look very wiggy. Okay, to each their own, and that is my preference. You can try it, see if you like it. So this is the wig on a mannequin head. I didn't customize the frontal part because I felt like it was great. I didn't need to do much, and I want to show you guys the natural curl pattern of this wig. There was no product in this here. All I did was wash it. So I'm not a big fan of the ball cap. I think it takes a whole lot of time. So I'm going to show you guys my quick little secret of the ball cap method to make sure it blends. And all I did was apply some of my frontal on that big band on that ball cap. On the cap, I should say. That big band is what makes it not look seamless when you put on your frontal. And I'm also going to add some powder this is my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder to the inside of the frontal portion. I'm going to flip it on my head, and then I'm going to clip back the sides of this wig. And you want to use nice big sturdy clips to make sure that when you're laying your wig down, your hair don't go into the glue and get glued down. The key tip to using Got to Be freeze spray and getting the perfect lay, the perfect blend, is to use a generous amount of this freeze spray, and also use your blow dryer on warm. I'm also going to try another method with which I'm going to use for a different video, but using your blow dryer on warm. As you can see from this video, I'm not a big fan of baby hairs. I like my hairline just to look natural. I'll do a few swoops here and there, but I'm not a big fan of them, not yet anyways. Now I'm just taking a shirt, or my shirt, and wiping off. The shirt is wet, wiping off where on my hairline the Got to Be freeze spray is, because it can make your hairline look real cakey real quick. Now I'm going to use a sock to tie down my wig to make sure it's melted. A lot of people like to use your hair tie or something. I like to use a sock because it's stretchy and it's going to be tight, and it's going to make sure that my hair is laid. Now I'm just brushing out this hair, getting it ready for the styling section. And all I'm going to do basically is one curl my hair. And I didn't do anything special while one curling. I made sure not to one curl too close to my roots, because I was going to do multiple styles and put it up in a ponytail. So I didn't want to ruin the curls. Rotated between going forwards and backwards, and you'll see that there is very easy to one curl. All you have to do is wrap your hair around the curler and you have your curls. I'm separating a little bit, separating the curls. Now I'm going to remove this sock from my head, and as you can see, my lace is melted. Okay, melted to the gods. Now I'm going to do a half up, half down type of look. I honestly don't like the parts in the half up, half down style that people do. I just like to get a little section, get my elastic band or whatever I'm using. I probably should have used a rubber band instead of this big scrunchie that looks so big on top of my head, but whatever. I like the whole Beyonce look when you do the half up, half down. She don't do parts, she just grabs some of her hair and put it up, and that's how it looks. also going to one curl our section of this hair because it got a little bit frizzy for me and my liking. So this is the first style, the half up, half down. Now we're gonna jump into another style, and as you can see, I am a mom. My son is 13 months old, okay, and my mommy job, mommy duties is never done, and he's right there with me while I try to put my hair up in a ponytail, which didn't really work. So I'm gonna get a wide tooth comb and put it up in a ponytail. As you can see, his dad came and picked him up. Putting up my hair in a ponytail again, and I'm not doing like a flat, sleek ponytail. I'm doing a messy ponytail because it kind of looked like you put in some work and it kind of looked like you didn't try very hard. Especially if you're a mom or you go to work or you go to school, this is very cute style for you. And I'm just using this clip thing that I got from Walmart. I'm pinning the backs with bobby pins. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing to make sure it stays down. So that is the second look, and that is my high messy ponytail. Now straight into the third and final style, and this is going to be pretty simple. This is just a side part. I like the top part of my hair when I part it to have a bit of volume. So I am going to get my hot comb and comb this back, comb it back and comb down the sides also. You know, back in the day how you used to have that volume at the top. That's what I'm doing. Brushing those curls together, and this is the final look.
And I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.